Production is changing raw materials into goods for a customer. It's like turning a block of wood into a pencil, or buying eggs and flour to make a cake. All of these are expenses to you which will be passed on to the customer in the final cost. Start off by working out what raw materials you need to make your product or supply your service.
This is going to be the base material because it's like a nice bold pattern.
So that's the bag?
Yeah, and then I've got another, and then that inside out because it looks a bit more subtle.
Yeah, a designer. We've got to have somebody to do the computer graphics on a computer.
You can check out prices online and put the findings on a cost sheet like Excel to calculate the cost of manufacturing.
How much it'd cost to hire a game designer.
The materials you choose to use will depend on cost, quality, availability and practicality.
It was like it looked like a mushroom, and then he sawed that bit off and then just drilled a hole in it for us, so because he couldn't find any beads.
And I think this
Would you be interested in supporting workers abroad, because a lot of things are made in countries like India or places where maybe there's a lot of slave trade and there's a lot of working ethics that aren't. Consider using eco-friendly alternatives like recycled products or fair trade. These may cost a little more, but your customers may prefer them. Have you thought, if you're looking at the whole recycling, you're looking at ethics, you're looking, I don't know, have you looked at organic material? Have you looked at, does it matter what material that you have or not?
Like fair trade material. Yeah.
Once you've chosen your materials, look at your design to work out whether your product or service is feasible.
I don't know where they'd get funding for that unless it was from the public sector. But it's so much in the news that it just...
Look at how much it will cost to make and how easy it is to manufacture. If you need some special facilities or equipment, there will be a charge for this, so add it to your cost sheet. You may need to receive training to use certain machinery, and accidents in the workplace are common, so make sure you are careful to meet quality and safety standards. Make a plan including all these issues. Now it's time to look at the financial side. Using a spreadsheet, find out the total cost of manufacturing your product or service, after factoring in raw materials and costs like equipment and training. Your market research should have given you an idea about how much people are willing to pay. There are things out there on the market and they obviously sell, so it doesn't mean that you have to reinvent the wheel.
Make the box.
and how much some cardboard might cost, or some plastic to make that packaging. Yeah,
because they make bags out of cartons, like orange cartons and drinks cartons and bags and things like that.